Welcome everybody. So from that video I made earlier, earlier today, how long ago was it? 3 hours now. I've gotten 10 views and 1 like, so that means 13 lines are required for me to add. So first, I'm gonna add a button thing. Here you go, another button. I'm going to actually show the rest. I think it's a good idea. So let's add an H2 element and then name that, give that a title. And then make it a title. Not title. Okay, so now type your favorite number here. And we should also add something for the person to type in, so let's add an input. So let's make it a number, so ID equals user input. Now let's make it so its type is a number. How many lines of code does that eliminate? So we've now got 10 lines needed. So now let's put this, let's save it, refresh this page. We should probably give the button a name, so let's make that submit. Now we'll put it, there we go. Submit, yay. Now we need to do something with this, so let's make it so, what is the, empty lines don't count as code, neither do lines with just curly brackets. So we could want button 1, so document dot get element by ID. Let's make that element button. What is that? So just button 1. Should name this method, it'll be easier to understand. So let's, I forgot to put in double quotes. Button 1 dot on click function. Now let's make it to a function that actually does something. So what's the error? Is because there isn't anything in there. Do they self function right? Yeah, function's correct. I'm gonna just keep writing stuff in here. So we've now got to do 9 lines. So let's get it. So whenever the button's pressed, it takes the user input. So so let's add a text variable, so it's text, and then let's make a document text equals documents dot get element by ID. Next, let's make the elements user input. I don't understand what the error is. What's the error? Unexpected token, but what's wrong with function? Oh, that's why. Here we go. So it's the user input value, so it's the actual value of it, and just leave it. I said I want the user input value. There we go. So now that means we got 7 lines of code needed. So let's make it so comments don't count either. Favorite number code. So it's easy for me to know later. Let's get rid of these extra spaces. Now let's make it so it turns that into a number instead of it being, I don't know, well, just makes sense to me. So now there we go, it's now a number. So we've now got 6 lines of code needed, and then let's make it so it's got the user input. Let's now do something with the user input that it's now a number. So let's make it so when because it's a number, it is, never mind, let's just keep it as this. So, and then was it document dot get elements. I can't spell element for some reason. By ID. Let's make the element. What a name for title. Title, that makes sense. So let's go title dot text content, and let's make it so the text content is your favorite number is so your favorite number is was text, and then so I've now got text. So now that we've got that, let's make it. Right, so let's just try for a sec. Oops. So let's say your favorite number is 1. No, it's not working. So what did I do wrong? Oops. So it's now a number. So I've made its text content. Your favorite number is, and then you've got your favorite number. Let's close it off. So let's try it again. Hopefully it works. Let's say my favorite number is 5. So let's just see what the error is. We're not reading value. So is it value in the function? Yes. So let's just get no value. So if we now give this and then make it 4, at least it's got something now. So my favorite number is 1. So it's now not giving me anything. So that's not very nice. So it's user input. So let's just put user input into brackets, or double quotes. Let's make it so user input, and then let's go value control X. If 5, your favorite number is 5. Your favorite number is 5 plus 8. Well, that's okay. Just put in single numbers like that. Then you go favorite number. So for example, your favorite number is pi. So there you go. Your favorite number is pi. So how many lines of code do we need now? So 1, 2, down, so on this sheet I'm pretty sure it's 5, 5, on the, so that's 9, so we've got 9, so that means we've got 4 lines of code left to write. So now they've done this, now so I can show that one bit. Now let's make it so it looks good. So let's go first by going body, why is caps lock on? Body, I said body, here we go finally. Let's make it so text align center. There goes now over middle, so that's an extra 2, that's good. So that means we've got 2 lines of code to go left, and looks probably. So we want it to make it it's class that one's ID, so button 1. So let's go button 1, so hashtag button 1. Let's make button 1 background dash color. Let's make its background color. Let's just make it so let's pretend that these are the same thing, because otherwise, never mind. I only get to do. So here we go. And that was our last line of code for the day. So actually, let's make it better by just making it round, because I think that's better. Border radius, and then let's make this border radius like 2 pixels, so we can. It's rounded on the edge. Let's make it a bit more rounded. You can't really tell. Let's make it so it's 5 pixels rounded, and here we go. It's round. Your favorite number is 33. Here we go. Perfect. That's what we've got for today. We'll see you in the next episode. If the same thing with this episode. So if more likes and views and subscribes if this episode gets, then that's more lines of code that we do next time. Goodbye.